Students, today we discuss the second chapter, Human Eye and Colorful World. So, human eye is the guard-lifted optical instrument from which see the objects around us. So, we discuss the construction of human eye. The human eye is like a jelly, and it is known as eyeball. And construction of that, the outer layer is known as sclera, and this layer protect from outer infection. And here in front of that opaque portion is known as cornea, from which light is entered. And from entering the light, these are the human eye parts known as iris, which control the amount of light. This portion from the space between iris is known as pupil, and after that the light is incident on the eye lens, and after refraction the image is formed at the retina. Retina is known as a screen of the eye. So we discuss the function of human eye, parts of human eye. So first, the characteristic of eye lens. The characteristic of eye lens is convex lens. The eye lens have nature convex lens. Then we discuss working of human eye. If the light is entered from cornea and incident on the eye lens, and after refraction, this is known as converging lens, and this lens is convert light at the screen, which is known as retina, where the image is formed. We know that the image formed by the convex lens is inverted and real, and from the brain it is reverse, and we see the image is erect position. So the power, we discuss the power of accommodation. The power of accommodation is defined as the human eye is focused nearby object as well as far point object. This is the nearby object placed in front of the eye, and image is formed at the retina. And this is the far point object. This is nearby object which is focused on the retina. This is distant object, a far point object. Far point object from which the parallel rays are incident on the convex lens and converging on the retina, where image is formed. So again we discuss the defects of vision. There are two defects. Number one, myopia, and this is also known as short-sightedness. And other is hypermetropia, or this is long sightedness. Long sightedness. So in this defect, the human eye is see nearby object but not clear see the distant object. What are the causes? Elongation of eyeball, from which the distance between lens and retina are defected. So this eye is see the nearby object but not see the far point object. Then we discuss the correction of human eye. We correct from obstacle in front of eye lens. The converging power of eye lens is increased in this defect. Then we use the concave lens in front of eye lens. This is the concave lens and it is known as diverging lens. These are the parallel rays from the far point object and incident first on the concave lens, and some diversion takes place and incident on the convex lens rather than eye lens, and these light rays are focused on the retina. This figure is known as correction of myopia. Second, we discuss long sightedness or hypermetropia. In this defect, the human eye see far point object and not clear see the nearby object. In this defect, nearby object. In this defect, the image is found beyond the retina. So, the nearby object is not seen clearly from the human eye in this defect. So, and this and in this defect the far point object see clearly. So we discuss the correction of hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. In this type of defect, we use the convex lens. Here the converging power of this eye lens is decreased. So we use convex lens in front of eye lens. First, the light rays are incident on the convex lens and after refraction these are incident on the eye lens and then these are focused on the retina where image is formed. So this figure, this is object, convex lens. This figure shows the correction of hypermetropia. That is over this class.